So the first debate is starting right now.
Yeah, so the first debate, the topic is, you're going to give your claim. The topic is the Ahmadiyya belief regarding the concept of two Muhammads. Okay, he's going to give his claim. Are we ready to start? Is everyone ready? Rahif sahab ready?
Yes, bismillah.
Chalo, bismillah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Our claim is that in Ahmadiyya community is a belief that there are two comings of Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and with regard to these two comings, everything that is regarding Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, na'uzubillah, that is claimed about Mirza Ghulam Ahmad as well. That's my claim. Now inshallah I begin the points. Now when it comes to this belief of Ahmadiyya, what I just stated, I'm gonna go point by point, and I will request my interlocutor so you can note down that which point number you are objecting. So inshallah I can respond to that when it comes to rebuttal. Okay, my first point is, in Ahmadiyya ideology, it is believed that Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was to come in this world twice. First, as we all know, as all Muslims believe, Muhammad ibn Abdullah al-Qurayshi al-Hashimi sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, and then na'udhu billahi min zalik, second time Muhammad Rasulullah came in the form of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. Na'udhu billahi min zalik. Okay, now this was my first point. Okay, now I come to my second point. In terms of spiritual reality, ruhani hakikat, in terms of spiritual reality, whatever is the name, function, status and stature of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, na'uzubillah, same is claimed about Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. Na'uzubillah min zalik. My point number 3, that when it comes to the ruhani hakikat or spiritual reality, na'uzubillah min zalik, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is believed to be Aine Muhammad, and Ain is used as the opposite of Ghayr, i.e. that Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, they are not two, though alada insan nahi hai, they are not two separate wujud, they are not two separate beings, rather they are one wujud, one being. They are not, though alada insan, not two separate wujud or beings. My next point, and I said in the start, my interlocutor has to mention that which point he is raising the objection. If he is not going to raise objection on any of my point, that will be considered conceded. Okay, next point. As far as this belief of na'uzubillah Mirza Ghulam Ahmad being na'uzubillahi min zalik Muhammadur Rasulullah, in this context, it is believed that those who believe and saw Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, they are the companion and sahabi of Muhammadur Rasulullah, na'uzubillahi min zalik. Okay, my next point. It is believed that, as we all know, as Muslims, that we believe that the wife of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Ummul Mu'mineen. Na'udhu billahi min zalik. In Ahmadiyya, regarding this belief, they believe that the wife of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Sahib, Nusrat Jahan Begum, is Ummul Mu'mineen. Na'udhu billahi min zalik. My next point. In Ahmadiyya, it is believed that to see the face of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad ka chehra dekhna, that to see the face of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Sahib is like seeing the face of Muhammadur Rasulullah. Na'udhu billahi min zalik. Next point. As we all know, our beloved, our Habib, our master, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, the two blessed companions, they are buried in the feet of Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Shaykhain, Abu Bakr wa Umar, may Allah be pleased with all the companions. In Ahmadiyya, it is believed that if you are buried in the feet of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, na'uzubillah, your status is that you are buried in the feet of Muhammad Rasulullah, like the status of Abu Bakr Umar. Na'uzubillah min zalik. My next point. Now I'm going to mention few points which are going to tell you that they not only claim this much, that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, na'uzubillah min zalik, is Muhammadur Rasulullah in his name, in his station, in his function, in his stature. But at the same time, they clearly mentioned, they said apparently they are two, but in reality they are one. Na'udhu billahi min zalik. Next, now I've mentioned 4 points. With regard to these 4 points, Ahmadiyya ideology not only believes that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, na'udhu billahi min zalik, is the second coming of Muhammad Rasulullah, na'udhu billahi min zalik, but he is better. The second coming is claimed to be better. I give you 3 things. Number 1, when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam came for the first time, it is considered that it is like the moon of the first night, and his ruhaniyat, spirituality was like the moon of the first night, hilal. But when it came to the second coming, na'uzubillah, in the form of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, it is the full moon. It is the full moon. And not only this, it is clearly mentioned and affirmed by Jamaat Ahmadiyya, mentioned by Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Sahib and affirmed by Jamaat Ahmadiyya. And what it is, that the ruhaniyat of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the form of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is aqwa, ashad and akmal, i.e. it is more complete, it is more intense, and it is ashad,
Stronger.
more stronger. Okay,